Here we are, we're on the reflection, celebrity reflection, and this is our room number 7137. Take a look at our room.
So nice. It has a couch and also this beautiful bed. So romantic. It also has 2 end tables and also some lamps. And there's also a closet right here. This is what the closet looks like. Oh, they've also provided a robe. Fancy. And here is the chair and table. And there's also a TV right here, and this is the vanity. And here's what the drawers look like. And I believe this is where the safe is going to be. And right here is where the cooler is. Perfect. And here is the bathroom. Very nice. It has a sink, some cabinets, the toilet, and there is the blow dryer. They also have some body lotion and soap too. Perfect. And I like the backsplash. They also have towels. And they have more storage right here. And here is the shower. Very nice, and I like that they give you a full-size shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Perfect. We also have a couple of hooks here as well as here to hang up your wet towels or your robes. Now, let's go view the balcony. Ooh, very nice. So here's the handle. And they have 2 chairs and a table. Beautiful. Now they also have a wall here as well as partition glass on either side. And that's our room tour.